Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you another amazing natural hair DIY to grow your hair faster. This DIY will help your hair to grow fast. So we are going to be using this very thing you are seeing here, green pepper. So green pepper do amazing work on natural hair. So I have been trying this for over 1 month now and it worked greatly on my hair. So this help hair grow and prevent hair loss and moisturize your hair very well. You will notice that the strands on your hair, they are very strong and healthy, and your hair, if your hair is breaking, then this can help reduce your hair share and prevent your hair to be damaged. So you will just do it this way you are seeing me doing. So you will just slice it this way, chop it into little pieces just like this. So this really has an amazing benefit, guys. It has an amazing benefit. It's a great combination to make sure your hair grow, especially when you want to grow natural hair. You need all natural DIY as possible to make sure your hair grow healthy. So another thing we will need onions. As we all know, or if you don't know, onions work magically on your hair, promote healthy hair growth very fast. And if you want to grow up your hair faster, always use onions on your hair once in every week in a month, and you will see a big difference on your hair. So make sure you are trying DIY so that your hair will be growing healthy and strong. Onions stimulate hair growth. Onions do amazing, reduce dandruff and prevent hair loss. So onions is another wonderful and amazing ingredients that you might like to use on your natural hair. So after slicing or chopping these two ingredients together, I will just place them inside my glass bowl, and make sure that your bowl is very clean and neat. It's very clean and neat. Then afterwards, I will add my aloe vera my olive oil inside. I am using 100% natural olive oil, extra olive oil. So just add it this way, just add it, let the oil feel, that is on top of the ingredients. Just let your oil, just use your mind to determine how the oil will be. I did not take any measurement of how many oil I put inside, so I just use my mind to calculate it. I believe you will do same. So after doing that, I will use my spoon to mix it together. I will just mix this together like this. Then I will notice that it's not enough, then I will just add a little more oil. So this oil we are going to be using, me, myself and my two girls. So we are going to be using this on our natural hair. So this really work, guys. Before I bring anything for you guys to use, I first of all use it to see how it felt or how it looks before I bring it to you guys. So it's safe to use. That is the reason why I'm bringing it for you to use, to try it on your natural hair. You will leave this for 7 days. After 7 days, this is how it looks. This is how it looks after 7 days. This treatment is boom. Is so special. This treatment, guys, try it and give this a try. And when you give it a try, let me know, and I want to know how you felt when you use it on a first use. So what I will just do now, I will try to trim it out, the oil out, because I'm not going to be using oil. I want to try it on my hair. I will be using it on my hair first, then before using it on my girl's hair. So that is it, guys. Just like this, just take any amount you know that is going to be enough on your hair. You can leave this for a month if you want, and the more it stay, the more effect it have on your natural hair. The more you leave it to stay, the more effect it will have to work very special on your natural hair. So now I will be transferring this oil into this plastic so that it will be easy for me to apply on my hair. So as you can see, now let me show you how I apply this on my hair. I will just bring one of my twists out, then pack off the rest. Then first and foremost, as you all know, I always use water to moisturize my hair before taking my braids or my twist down. That is very important. That will help your hair to lose and to prevent breakage as well. Okay, so now let me show you. I will put more water just for my hair to just release. I don't want my hair to be tangled at all. So now I will apply the oil on my scalp. I will apply it on my scalp first, then I use my hand to give my scalp a massage. Then I will always use my finger to bring down the oil to the tip of my hair. Please always be generous whenever you are using any natural hair treatment. It's very important because you want that treatment to get all over, even to the last strands of your hair. You want the treatment to get around it. So after doing that, I will just twist it up like so. I will twist it up, then I will show you what I do. I will just finish the rest of my hair like this way, then I will finish the rest. So this is the front side, the last one that's remaining. So I will just do the same thing. I will just apply it like this on my hair. As you can see, my hair is looking so healthy, so strong, long. Guys, be trying DIY. Try DIY natural remedy on your natural hair. You will not regret it at all. You will not regret it at all. So we do so many amazing things in this channel. If you want to grow your hair up, please check all our video, so you will find anyone that will help you out, and this will definitely help you out in terms of growing your hair up. We are here for you. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscribers. I will not forget to appreciate you all. May God Almighty continue to bless you for watching my video, sharing my video, and giving me a like. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video, because in my channel we do so many amazing things. We sew clothes, we do natural hair DIY, and we also make a beautiful wigs in this channel. So we do so many amazing things. As you can see, I have applied everything on my hair. Now I will just use this bar or nylon to tie it around. I don't want the oil to be passing through the normal nylon that I use, so I decided to use this. This will secure it on my hair, and it will leave it and give it more heat on my hair. So then I will just leave it like this. You can leave it for 2 hours, 3 hours, anytime you want. So but minimum you can leave this for 45 minutes if you want, but I will be leaving it for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I just wash my hair and I put my leave-in. As you can see, some of the leave-in is still showing on my hair. So let me just show you how it feel, how my hair looks like. So as you can see, it's very soft, full of life. So the way you take care of your body, your skin, the same way you need to take care of your natural hair. See you on my next video, and thank you so much. Bye.